Hello and welcome to ChatThing. I'm Zeph, one of the founders, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your first bot in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. This is the bots dashboard. You're going to have probably no bots here at this point. As you can see, I've got quite a few. And to create our first bot, we just have to come up here and click New Bot. This is now taking you into our bot wizard that's going to guide you through creating your first bot. So first things first, we need to give our bot a name. And we're going to call this one ChatThing Support Demo because this bot that we're making is going to demonstrate how you can create a support bot based off a website. We can give it a description. This is optional. It's just for your benefit, really. It doesn't make a difference to the bot. And then we've got the welcome message. This is going to be the first message that appears to the user when they start talking to your bot. So in here we can say, hello, ask me anything about ChatThing. You can add some example questions, like what are the pricing plans? Where can I talk to my bots, etc. And they just will come up in the little widget as buttons that people can press to quickly ask these questions, just to give them some inspiration on what they can ask. Here we've got the system message or prompt, and this is where you give your bot instructions on how you want it to work. So you can write whatever you want in here. We have a default that you can adopt if you click this little button here. So it says you're a helpful assistant, use information from the provided context below to answer your questions. If the answer is not there, say you don't know. So we're just going to add a bit to this and say you are a helpful support assistant for ChatThing, a company helping people create AI bots. And then you can add in, it's always good to add in as much context here as you can. So things like our website is, oops, spelled that wrong. And our support email is support@chatthing.ai. That'll do for the moment. We can skip past some of these options, and we don't need to worry about changing the model settings at the moment. That's something you might want to do later. But next we can get on to adding our data source. And data sources are where you add knowledge into your bot. So as you can see, we support quite a few different ways of doing this. In this example, I'm just going to show you how you can use a web page to add knowledge to your bot. So we'll click website here, next. And then we are into our website data source settings. So this works in a similar way for all data sources, but at the moment we've got no content in here. So we need to add some content to use as knowledge. So for a web data source, we've got a few options. But in this example, I'm just going to click add a single URL. And I'm just going to put in the ChatThing homepage at the moment. But you can put in any page in here. You could put in your support documentation, forums, anything really. So we'll add that. And you can see that has now appeared in here and it's not synced. So now that we've added some content in here, it's time to synchronize it. And the synchronization step basically will go and scrape this web page, get all of the content off it, chunk it up for the bot, and then save it so that the bot can use it as reference material. So we'll click synchronize now. You're going to get this little progress tracker. We've only added one page, so it should be very quick. There we go. It's done. It tells you how many storage tokens it's used. And then we can go to next test. So at this point, the bot should be able to answer some of these preset questions like this one. So let's give it a go. There we go. So it now knows what our pricing plans are. which is pretty awesome. You can see how easy that is to get set up there. It should also be able to answer, where can I talk to my bot? There you go, there's different channels. And now your bot's set up, there's lots of other things that you can do. So you can go and add more data sources to add more knowledge into your bot. You can add more URLs to your website one, or you can mix and match the different data sources. You can go and play with the model settings and switch them to other providers such as Google Gemini or Mistral. Of course, you can embed your bot onto your website. It's very easy to do by just adding a little script. You can add new channels. So this allows you to speak to your bot in different places like Telegram, WhatsApp and Discord, etc. Or you can go and add power-ups that are going to let your bot take actions on behalf of users, save things back into databases, interact with APIs, browse the web, lots of fun stuff like that. So this is just a quick intro into how to create your first bot. There'll be plenty of other videos on all of these other features, but that's it for now. Can't wait to see what you build with Chatthing. Bye.